Have you ever put a match in coffee grounds? Stay with me, because this simple trick does something most people would never expect. Take a small glass bowl or any heat-resistant container. Add 2 tablespoons of dry coffee grounds. You can add more if your container is larger, but don't overfill it. Now grab a wooden match and carefully cut the stick in half. Push the lighting end of the match straight into the coffee grounds so it stands upright. Next, light the match with a lighter. The flame will only burn for a second and then go out. But don't worry, this is exactly what you want. The coffee grounds will continue to smolder slowly and release a steady stream of smoke. That smoke works as a natural repellent that drives mosquitoes and other flying insects away almost immediately. What makes this trick so effective is that the smell from burning coffee grounds is unpleasant for insects, but barely noticeable for humans. You can use this method both outdoors and indoors. I use this regularly in my living room and kitchen, especially in the evenings. And honestly, since I started doing this, mosquitoes are almost never a problem. Thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like these.